many animal names do you know in English? Let's see how many you can recognize. Get ready to learn some interesting animal names in English. Let's begin. Cow,
Cow,
cat,
cat,
tiger,
tiger,
lion,
lion,
goat,
goat,
buffalo,
buffalo,
camel,
camel,
ox,
ox,
dog,
dog,
pig,
pig,
horse,
horse,
monkey,
monkey,
donkey,
donkey,
bear,
bear,
elephant,
elephant,
crocodile,
crocodile,
deer,
deer,
rabbit,
rabbit,
turtle,
turtle,
snake,
snake,
sheep,
sheep,
dinosaur,
dinosaur,
mouse,
mouse,
wolf,
wolf,
zebra,
zebra,
squirrel,
squirrel,
fox,
fox,
frog,
frog,
hyena,
hyena,
aardvark,
aardvark,
African elephant,
African elephant,
African lion,
African lion,
African penguin,
African penguin,
African plains,
African plains,
agouti,
agouti,
aldabra tortoise,
aldabra tortoise,
alligator,
alligator,
anaconda,
anaconda,
Andean bear,
Andean bear,
Andean condor,
Andean condor,
ant,
ant,
ape,
Ape.
Archerfish.
Archerfish.
Armadillo.
Armadillo.
Baboon.
Baboon.
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle.
Bee.
Bee.
Beetle.
Beetle.
Black lemur.
Black lemur.
Black milk snake.
Black milk snake.
Black rhino.
Black rhino.
Black vulture.
Black vulture.
Blue crane.
Blue crane.
Boa.
Boa.
Bobcat.
Bobcat.
Bonobo.
Bonobo.
Bontebok.
Bontebok.
Bony fish.
Bony fish.
Bowerbird.
Bowerbird.
Anteater.
Anteater.
Ape.
Ape.
Armadillo.
Armadillo.
Bongo.
Bongo.
Centipede.
Centipede.
Chameleon.
Chameleon.
Cheetah.
Cheetah.
Clownfish.
Clownfish.
Coati.
Coati.
Cockatoo.
Cockatoo.
Crane.
Crane.
Drill.
Drill.
Duck.
Duck.
Coyote.
Coyote.
Eagle.
Eagle.
Echidna.
Echidna.
Elk.
Elk.
Flamingo.
Flamingo.
Frigate bird.
Frigate bird.
Gila monster.
Gila monster.
Gorilla.
Gorilla.
The more you hear these names, the easier they become to remember. And next time, you might surprise yourself with how many you know. Keep learning and see you in the next one.